Zhangjiajie is a masterpiece of natural beauty and a paradise for all kinds of wild animals and plants. It has excellent mountain and forest view, and it's the filming location of the movie Avatar. The magnificent mountain and forests of Zhangjiajie is also the supernatural workmanship of nature. There is China's first national forest park, Zhangjiajie National Forest Park. World Natural Heritage, World Geopark Yuan Scenic Spot. You should see it yourself someday. TCN Vending make lives more convenient.